Doesn't it? Isn't it? Don't they? What are these little questions? One thing that is very common in English is using little questions at the end of sentences. These are called tag questions. So, why and when do we use these? First, let's look at some examples. The meeting starts at 9 o'clock. Doesn't it? They provide food at these meetings. Don't they? They gave us food last time. Didn't they? In all of these examples, I have a sentence, and then I have a little tag question at the end. Why? We use these little questions when we think that something is true, but we don't know 100%. So, in the first sentence, I said, the meeting starts at 9 o'clock. This is the information that I think is true. I think the meeting starts at 9 o'clock. I want you to tell me if I am correct or incorrect. Is my information good? I think the information is true. So I tell you the meeting starts at 9 o'clock. Then I put a little tag question, doesn't it? To finish this sentence. Because I say this little question at the end, you can tell me, yes, 9 o'clock. Or, no, they changed it. Today, the meeting is at 10. Again, I use tag questions when I think something is true, but I don't know 100% and I want to ask you. They gave us food last time. I think that information is true. The last meeting was 3 months ago, and I remember food. But maybe I don't remember correctly. I want to ask you. So I will tell you the information I think is true. They gave us food last time. Then I use a tag question. Didn't they? They gave us food last time. Didn't they? Now you can tell me, yes, they did, or no, they didn't. The meeting starts at 9 o'clock. They provide food at these meetings. They gave us food last time. These 3 sentences have information that I think is true. I want to know 100%, so I will ask you, doesn't it? Don't they? Didn't they? Okay, teacher, I think I understand. I know something, but I don't know 100%. I want to check. I can use a tag question. Yes. So, how do we make these tag questions? One common way to make tag questions is with the verb do. Do, does, or did in the past. I can use do, does, or did for almost every verb in English. So let's look at example number 1 again. The meeting starts at 9 o'clock. The verb is starts. So, when I make my tag question, I need to use the word does. Starts is in the present, does is in the present. These verbs match. Then I need to take the verb does and change it to the negative. Doesn't. Now I use a pronoun for the subject of the sentence. The subject is the meeting. The pronoun for the meeting is it. One meeting. It. My tag question? Doesn't it? The meeting starts at 9 o'clock. Doesn't it? In sentence number 2, the verb is provide. Now I need to use do, not does. The verb provides connects with does. Provide connects with do. So I use do, I change it to the negative, don't, and I use my pronoun. The subject of this sentence is they, so I just repeat this word. Don't they? They provide food at these meetings. Don't they? In sentence number 3, the verb is gave. Now we are in the past. So I cannot say do or does, I need to say did. Past in the sentence, past in the tag question. They gave. I use did, I change it to the negative, didn't, and I say the subject again. They. They gave us food last time, didn't they? Okay, teacher, I have a question. What happens if the sentence, the information, is negative? How do I make a tag question? It's almost the same. For example, she didn't come to the meeting last week. I think this information is true. She didn't come to the meeting last week. I want to ask you to know 100%. This sentence is in the negative. She didn't come. In this sentence, we still use did because this verb is in the past, but we don't change it to the negative, we use the affirmative. Did. And we use the same subject. She. She didn't come to the meeting last week. Did she? Okay, teacher, what about the verb be? I know this verb be is always different. Yes, this verb is different. We do not use do, does, or did. I will have another video coming soon that will explain how to make tag questions with the verb be. The link will be in the description as soon as I finish that video. Okay, quick review. We use tag questions when we think the information we have is true, but we want to check to know 100%. The party starts at 9 o'clock, doesn't it? Sophia said she was coming to the party, didn't she? People wear red, white, and blue on Independence Day, don't they? Remember, all of the verbs do, does, did In the tag questions, connect with the verb in the sentence. The party starts. Doesn't it? She said. Didn't she? People wear. Don't they? Okay, that is all for today's video. I hope this video helped you understand the grammar of tag questions, and I hope you can use these when you want to check information in English. I will have another video coming soon with different examples of tag questions with different verbs. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sam. I'll see you soon.